Hey guys, so it's me, Harry, Glitteryprince, and today I'm coming at you with a challenge video. So I'm going to do the random colour challenge. So I've already done all my base, my blush, my contour, my highlight, and all that's left to do is my eyes and my lips. Now for my eyes, I've got this huge Revolution 144 Ultimate Collection palette, and there are 144 different eyeshadows in here. So I've set up a random number generator to give me a number between 1 and 144, and I'm going to search colour using that. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going across instead of down, and hopefully this will give us some interesting colours to choose from. So I'm going to get started with that. So I've set up my generator and I'm just going to ask it to generate a number for me. So 89, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So we've got this bronze shade here. So it's a shimmery bronze. I can definitely do something with that. So let's get it to generate another number. 49. So that's a kind of white gold that probably isn't really going to show up, but it's just there. So far we've got pretty boring colours. I want some colours over on the darker side of the palette. So far we've got pretty regular colours. I'm hoping we're going to get some over on this side of the palette. Let's get it to generate another one. 142, so that is this dark navy blue here. It's a matte one and it's super dark and it's going to make this a bit more interesting, which is nice. We'll do one more and then maybe another one if it's a boring colour. So 77. It's another bronzy colour. I think this one's a bit more red. Quite similar to the top one, just there. And let's do one more. So 65. So we've got another kind of goldy shade, just there, super metallic. So we've got some. It's not a combination I'd go for, but I'm sure we can make it work. So let's get straight into that. So I've got my colours picked out and now I just have to put them on my eyes. Let's see what look we can create with these. So I'm going in with a big brush and I think I'm going to put this blue through the crease. And because I don't have anything to blend it into, it's gonna look a bit patchy, but I'm gonna keep working at it and hope for the best. Blending this colour in is work. Also I went for like a really pink blush and like really pink highlight, and now it's gonna look stupid because I've got this like really blue eyeshadow. So now I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'm going to put one of those bronzy shades kind of on my lid and blend it up into the crease and see how that looks. And I'm going to take the slightly more red toned one. And, see what we can do in that zone. So I'm just putting this all over my lid and then I'm going to blend it up into that blue. Trying to make a purpley kind of thing going on, honestly. Who knows? going to go in with the more kind of goldy and lighter bronze shades and put them on my lid. Honestly, I have no idea where I'm going with this. That's such a pretty colour, oh my gosh. Just starting out in makeup and you don't feel like you own that much and you want to experiment, I would really recommend getting one of these palettes. They have one for 2018. This is the 2017 collection, but they have this and a matte one for 2018. I'd really recommend getting them if you just want to play around with different colours, because they have so much variety in them. Like, it's literally every eyeshadow you'd ever need, and they're just gorgeous palettes, and they're really cheap as well. I think they're normally on sale for like, they're meant to be £20, but I've never seen them at full price anywhere. I think you can get them in Superdrug for £8 a lot of the time, and on Tam Beauty for £10 or £15. So I'd really recommend picking one up. So now we've got that shimmer all over the eyes, I'm going to go back in with my second blending brush and just kind of blend out the outer corners. Just to help bring everything together a bit more. And then taking a smaller flat brush, I'm just going to go in with that white gold shade on the inner corner for an inner corner highlight. So I'm just taking that dark blue on a smaller brush and bringing it under the lower lash line. I am getting some serious like mermaid vibes from this look. I love it. I'm gonna finish it off with some eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then we'll be back to do the lips. Okay, so I've just finished the eyes off with some winged eyeliner and mascara, and now we're going to go on to the lips. So I've got all my lipsticks in this pot here, and I'm just going to mix them around my hand and pick one out at random. Okay, I've got the NYX or NYX Cosmic Metals in the shade 01 Galactic. So we're going very spacey, very glittery today. So this is like a black, how can I swatch this on the back of my hand? So this is like a black silvery metallic gloss. So let's apply this to the lips. So this is the final look, and I'm still getting like some serious mermaidy, spacey vibes from it. I kind of love the eyes. They are definitely not something I would go for, but I kind of love them. The lips, I mean, I've applied the lipstick kind of badly because those glosses are really hard to apply, and it's not the lips I would go for. I'd probably go for a nude lip if I was going for this eye look, but I kind of like it. I kind of like it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed me doing the random colour challenge, and if you'd like me to do more challenges in the future, then leave a comment below telling me what ones you want me to do, because I think they're really fun. I've wanted to do this video since I saw Ryan Potter do it over on his channel, so I'll leave a link to that video down below, and I'll also try to find the original person who did this challenge and link that down below as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content and give this video a like and share it with your friends. Bye!